If you're experiencing compatibility issues with eFootball 2025 on your device, here are some step-by-step troubleshooting tips to help resolve the problem. Chashna 1. Check device requirements. Minimum system requirements. Make sure your device meets the minimum specifications for eFootball 2025. Check the official website or the App Store listing for requirements like OS version, RAM, processor speed, and storage space. 2. Update your device. Operating system update. For Android, go to Settings, System, Software Update to check for updates. For iOS, go to Settings, General, Software Update. App Store update. Ensure your App Store, Google Play Store, or Apple App Store is updated to the latest version. 3. Clear cache and data, Android only. Go to Settings, Apps, eFootball 2025. Tap Storage, and then select Clear Cache and Clear Data. Restart your device and try launching the game again. 4. Reinstall the game. Uninstall, long press the app icon and select Uninstall. Reinstall, go to the App Store and search for eFootball 2025 to download it again. 5. Check storage space. Ensure you have sufficient storage space on your device. Android, go to Settings, Storage. iOS, go to Settings, General, iPhone Storage. 6. Enable compatibility mode, if available. Some Android devices allow you to enable compatibility mode for apps. Go to Settings, Apps, eFootball 2025 Advanced, and look for compatibility options. Check for rooting jailbreaking issues. If your device is rooted Android or jailbroken iOS, it may cause compatibility issues. Consider unrooting or restoring your device to factory settings if this is the case. 8. Adjust graphics settings, if available. If you can access the game settings, try lowering the graphics settings to see if that helps with compatibility. Contact support. If none of the above steps work, consider reaching out to the eFootball support team for assistance. Provide details about your device and the specific issue. Honor 10. Check forums for specific device issues. Visit forums or community groups related to eFootball to see if others with the same device have found specific solutions. By following these steps, you should be able to address compatibility issues with eFootball 2025 on your device. If problems persist, it may be worth waiting for updates from the developers, as compatibility can improve over time.